All right, check out Cardano, which is ADA-USD on this chart. So going back to 2018, this made a nice spike. Look at this, 2 cents to 138. That late move, 2017 into 18, was huge on crypto. Then this flattens out, consolidation. Look at the volume. The volume goes down, it's doing nothing. But you see the low here is back and forth. That's when you get in. You get in at 2 cents, 8 cents. And look what happens. It goes to 310. Yeah, this is why there's crypto millionaire billionaires. They understand all this, but the basics of it is when it spikes, it goes down flat. As long as it's sort of a credible crypto and not some meme coin that's pure junk, you get in at 2-3 cents and wait for a move. Look at this. You're talking 2 cents, maybe 8 cents. It goes to 310. Really, that is unreal gains. Then this big mountaintop at 310, you go down 24, back and forth. Have a little move to 81 cents, get back to 28, get to 133. Where we're at now is 117, keeps going lower, but the low's holding, so it looks like a squeeze here. Something's going to happen. I think we get a rip up. So look at the mountaintop, though. CCI was 500. When you reach that level, that is absolutely unreal. Stochastic. So look at money flow, big green mountain, RSI. Now, stochastics 2023 low. The low got higher. Low got higher. Look at this. It's ready to make a crossover again to me. So that's 1, bottom point, 2, 3, 4, and the next move should be up. We'll see if it plays that way. Now 73 on this, it's squeezed, descending. The high is getting lower, the low's getting higher, so it's going to squeeze. And then I like for this to rip above 1 with crypto being strong. So we'll see if this happens here. See the weekly on this. Yeah, see the weekly at that 138. Look at that move down. All the way does nothing for a while. And that's why I guess it's worth it. If it does nothing for years, almost like 1-2 years, then it goes to 310. Yeah, it's worth it. And then it goes back down and spikes, holding that 51 cent level. And I think the rip up here is looking good on weekly. Let's look at the daily here. All right, the daily had that 117. 84.51. Here's another one. Draw your line right down here. It's going back and forth, and then we start to go up about 55-60 cents. And now, we're taking off. Very overbought. Mountaintop, looking pretty good here. Let's go back to 10 years. All right, so a little spike here. Here's a big center spike on Cardano. And then, waiting for, is this going to be a next move, like a big move up? It looks like, crypto's very strong. Bitcoin's 118,000. I called 120K 6 months ago. Said 110 to 120. Yeah, you can see the higher trend line on Bitcoin from 18,000. It was going to reach that high line. That's where we're running. And then, pullbacks or buys. So we'll see what happens with this. You have good volume. You can see the volume spikes on the very strong momentum, and then it sort of consolidates down. So that's where we're at. So let's see if we can rip towards 1+ on this, on Cardano.